Instead of eating the same old white potatoes, I highly recommend purple potatoes. Purple potatoes have tons of antioxidants, and usually deep purple colored fruit and vegetables are good for our eyes. Regardless, they look gorgeous. Because I want to keep the nutrients and color, I don't want to peel the skin. In a big pot, put cold water and put the washed potatoes. The water should cover the potatoes about 1 inch high because we are not going to put the lid and the water will evaporate quite a bit. So we need enough water. We are going to boil about 25 to 30 minutes. Also, start to boil water in another pot for asparagus. We need gentle boiling water. Let's prepare asparagus. We need a potato peeler and kitchen twine. The end part of asparagus is very woody, so we need to get rid of it. Pull the bottom part of asparagus and snap. It will break where it needs to break. Peel the asparagus with a potato peeler. This is for a cleaner, brighter look. Clean up the head part very carefully. You don't want to peel off the nice flower-looking head. That makes asparagus so gorgeous and elegant. Line up all the asparagus from the head and cut the bottom so that we can have the same size. Now, we need to tie the asparagus stalks together because when we blanch, it's easier to fish out a bundle than an individual stalks. Also, they will ensure the same cooking time. Tie the twine around just under the heads a couple of times and tie a knot to secure them. Then, we'll spiral down the stalks and come back up. And tie a knot again. These look good. Now it's time to blanch. In gentle boiling water, salt it. The salt will make a green color brighter. Put the asparagus bundles in the water carefully. Boil about 2 minutes. Poke the asparagus with a knife. The knife should go in easily. If not, put it back. Once it's done, put the asparagus in ice water immediately. This will stop the cooking and prevent overcooking. Put the asparagus on a kitchen towel. Cut off the strings with kitchen scissors and remove them. Then, dry them completely and set aside. Now, let's check the potatoes. With a slotted spoon, take out 1 potato. With a knife, poke it. The knife should go in without any resistance. Put them in a bowl and cool them a bit so that they are easier to handle. Put some water in a pan and boil, and you will see why later. Cut the skin with a knife and peel. Purple potato skin is pretty sour and unpleasant, especially when you boil, so you need to peel it. The potatoes are still hot, so be careful. Put all the potatoes in a mixing bowl. With a potato masher, mash the potatoes. Put some salt, pepper, and small cubed butter and mash until the big chunks are gone. I warmed up 1 cup of milk in the microwave. When you pour cold cream or milk, that will cool down mashed potatoes too quickly. Pour about 1/3. Don't pour all at once. Whisk with an electric mixer. Look at the consistency and add more milk or cream as needed. You can also use crème fraîche here. Scrape out the potato from the side of the bowl. Also taste. If you need more salt, add more. If you need more milk or crème fraîche, add more. Just don't put all at once. Once you like the taste and the consistency, cover with cooking foil. Remember we started boiling water earlier? Turn up the heat. Carefully set the bowl in the warm water. We just need a hot water to keep the potato warm until we are done with other ingredients. Heat up a pan on medium-high heat. Drizzle oil. With a long tongue, infuse a thyme bundle in the oil. Even though I dried the thyme bundle completely, oil pops a lot because herbs have a lot of water in them, so be careful. Cook chicken. By the way, I have already seasoned both the sides with salt and pepper. Brush the chicken with the thyme bundle. Cook until it's just over halfway done. Then flip. Brush with the thyme bundle again. The brown color is a good sign. Check whether the other side is ready. The color looks great. Set aside the chicken and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's finish cooking asparagus. Slice 1 clove of garlic. On low heat, sauté garlic. Add asparagus. Season with salt. If you have a white pepper, use it. We are simply seasoning and warming up the asparagus here. They look great. Set aside on a plate. You can serve this as a buffet-style side dish for gathering, or you can pair with mashed potatoes and chicken. Dish out potato with a spoon. With a spread, you can smooth out the edge. Or Put the potato in a plastic bag and cut the tip off and squeeze. You can experiment here. After all, we're making dish for a special occasion. So why not make it extra fancy? If you have a piping bag, by all means, use it. Bon appetit!